Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 13. By how much is the traffic between Izabu and Anipu more than the traffic between Izabu and Uba? A. 1,200, B. 1,500, C. 1,700, D. 1,800. Now remember that our scale is one line represents 1,500 persons. So we'll first locate the three towns that are involved in this question and then count the number of lines between these towns, multiply it by our scale factor, which is 1,500, and then when we get our answers we progress from there. So this is where Izabu is located, this is Anipu. So the first is from here to this point, and then the second is from this Izabu to Uba, so from here to this point. So the number of lines between Izabu and Anipu is 5 lines. So Izabu to Anipu is 5 lines, and 5 multiplied by 1,500 is equal to 7,500. Now the second one is between Izabu and Uba, and that's Izabu to Uba. You have 4 lines, so 4 multiplied by 1,500 is equal to 6,000. Now we are asked for the traffic difference, so we'll subtract 6,000 from 7,500. So 7,500 minus 6,000 is equal to 1,500, and 1,500 is option B, which is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.